guys, welcome to Math Today. Today is Monday, November 9th, and we're in the second week of November, and this month there's a holiday in November called Thanksgiving. What holiday is in November? Thanksgiving. What month are we in? November. And what day of the week is it today? Starts with an M. Monday. Go ahead and take your hundredths chart and practice counting. Let's see if we can get to, everyone's kind of at a different level, but we need to make sure that we're getting up to around 40 or 50, okay? So try practice counting. If you need to use this, you can, but see if you can count to 50 today, all right? Now, just as a reminder, this is a penny. What is this called? A penny. What color is the penny? What shape is the penny? Do you remember who's on the penny? His name starts with an A. Abraham Lincoln. This is Abraham Lincoln. He's on the penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. So if we were counting with only pennies, we would just count by ones. Okay? On your math paper today, go ahead and grab that. Write your name at the top. And let's do this together, okay? This is a matrix. Remember, a matrix sorts things in different categories, many different categories. So here we have big triangles here, and we have little triangles here. We have big rectangles here, and we have little rectangles here. This way, we're going to sort them too by color. So it tells us what color to do. I'm going to color mine pretty quickly. If you need to push pause in between me coloring, that is just fine. Okay, so the top row where the star is, point to the star. That whole row needs to be green. So grab your green crayon, and I'm going to color quickly. If you want to push pause, you're more than welcome to, so that you can color at your own pace. And then the next row, probably need to push pause, that's just fine. The heart row, color these triangles and rectangles yellow. Okay, push pause if you need to, but it needs to look like this. So green on the top row, yellow on the second row. This is the first row, this is the second row. The third row with the smiley faces, those need to be red. I just said all the sounds in the word red. Okay. You can go ahead and push pause so you can finish coloring, but it should look like this. The first row should be green, the second row should be yellow, the third row should be red, and the fourth row needs to be blue. Go ahead and color your fourth row blue. So now we have a matrix that's sorted by size and by shape and by color. Okay, so we have all of the shapes together in the lines. We have the big triangles and the little triangles. We have the sizes, little, big, little, and we have the colors, blue, red, yellow, green. Go ahead and push pause if you need to keep coloring. Then I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? Go ahead and push play. All right, point to the small yellow rectangle. Small yellow rectangle. Here it is. Point to the large blue triangle. So you have to make sure it fits all of those words. Large blue triangle. Point to the small green triangle. Small green triangle. Point to the large red rectangle. So you could come over here and you could say, okay, it's going to be the rectangles. It's going to be one of these. It's going to be one of these actually, because it's a rectangle. It's going to be large, so it's going to be in this row, and it's going to be red. Did I say red? Yes, red. There it is. Okay, turn your paper over. On the back side, we're going to be practicing the number 7. So grab your pencil and let me remind you of this song, okay? Slide to the right and then slant down, slide to the right, and then slant down, slide to the right, and then slant down. That's how you write the number 7. You guys are great at 7s, okay? So finish up all of your 7s. Then grab your brown crayon and it says color 7 pennies. Let's do them brown because that's what color pennies actually are. So that will be awesome because they'll look just like a real penny. Now don't get confused. Don't color them all. Make sure you're counting so you only have 7. So you're going to write your 7s and then you're going to color 7 pennies. And if you're like me, then you found out that there are actually 8 pennies. So we don't want to color one of them. It can be any one, but you got to only color 7. Okay? Nice work. You can finish up, do your best, and I'll talk to you soon.